Welcome home bakers to another episode of my YouTube channel, Basic Home Baking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed, so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every time. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a very delicious fruit tart, the mango tart. Mango tart is made with a custard filling made extra special with the addition of mango puree and then topped with slices of sweet mangoes. The ingredients are, for the crust, 1 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 tablespoon of white sugar, 1/2 cup of cold butter, 1/4 cup of cold diluted milk, 2 teaspoons of calamansi juice. For the filling, 4 egg yolks, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1/2 can of condensed milk, 1/2 cup of all-purpose cream, 1/4 cup of butter, 1/3 cup of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of mango puree. For the sugar syrup, 1/4 cup of water and 1/4 cup of white sugar. And of course, 3 to 4 mangoes for the topping. And then this tart plate. For the crust, add the flour, then the sugar, and salt. Then add the cold butter, okay, see the fine granules of butter into the flour. Then add 2 teaspoons of calamansi juice or lemon juice and 1/4 cup of diluted milk. Dust with flour. And then slightly fold and press. Okay. I'm going to refrigerate this for at least 30 minutes to chill the butter and to relax the gluten. For the mango puree, for the filling, this is 1/2 can of evaporated milk, 4 egg yolk, and the condensed milk. Then add 1/2 cup of all-purpose cream, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of butter. Then add the mango puree. And then this is the 1/2 can of evap with cornstarch. Mix until thick. Let's add a little mango flavor for the color. Let's add zest of lemon. And drops of lemon extract. This is okay. This is done. For the crust, dust with flour, and then we're going to roll. we're going to add the filling. Going to brush with egg wash. Then we're going to bake this at 400 for 15 minutes and then at 350 for an hour. Now, my mango tart is out of the oven. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. And then 350 for an hour. Look. So nice. We're going to let this cool first before we put the topping. We're going to slice the mangoes. We're going to decorate. For the sugar syrup, add the water and the sugar. This is done. Going to pour the syrup. there you have it, my mango tart. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next episode. Enjoy!